Today is my wife's birthday. I say today, the day that this airs, that's what I mean. When this goes out on YouTube, this day, it's my wife's birthday. If you're watching in the future, it's not still her birthday. She only gets one of them. She's not the queen. Anyway, happy fucking birthday. You're amazing and I love you. This video, it's been on my mind to do for a little while. I've really wanted to do this video for a little while. It's been on my mind, I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about how to best portray this. You know, I'm still very amateur when it comes to producing videos. I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do something a little documentary/interview style. I wanted to do something that helped her share that story. Words are really hard to showcase. People don't read as much as they used to, and words still have so much importance. She is going to explain this better than I ever could, but this is a short film? Is this my first short film? Maybe. It was shot quite differently over a day and a half, and it's been a real challenge. I did not set this light up for this. Let me moody, right? So I've been putting the final touches to this film, and it's hard. This kind of documentary style, this interview format, I think I underestimated a little bit. I hope I've done her justice, because she does amazing work and it's really important. She has some amazing clients. She just produces gold so regularly. And I just really wanted to produce some kind of film that would help people understand how important it is, how important good words can be, how powerful they can be. I learned a lot doing it. I've learned a lot after it. I'd love to make it again. I'm not going to do that, it'd be ridiculous. Please, let me know what you think to it. Let her know what you think to it. Wish her a happy birthday, and if enough people want to see the bloopers reel, I might release it and, you know, potentially risk my marriage. Okay, here you go. The importance of words. Enjoy.
I love the impact that good words have on people. Words are what get people up out of their seat. They're what get people motivated and charged. They make actual movies out of people performing speeches. Words are so moving and so important. My name is Spadge Nunn and I'm a writer. I have a real addiction to words. Words are like crack to me. I have to find the right word for the right job. Even if it's just one line or just one button, the words have to be perfect. They have to match the tone. They have to share a personality. They have to create a feeling or an emotion. They have to make you want to take a stand and actually do something, even if it's click a button. I first studied writing in 2006, which was 12 years ago, at university. Then in 2011, I graduated from a master's degree in communication. And then in 2014, I started my own copywriting company, Spadge UK, and I've been freelance ever since. I think people can undervalue good copy because when it's really good, it becomes invisible. It just sounds like the person that's saying it. Good copy feels more natural. It's true to their personality and their brand. And it's only when something is done badly that you suddenly think, oh, that's a bit jarring. If you follow a lot of people on social media, a lot of their posts have the same tone, the same person-to-person voice. They sound like themselves. And then suddenly there'll be a marketing style post that will start with something like, here at blah, 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 we do this and this and this. And you instantly think, hang on, that sounds unnatural. And then it's not so much of a shock when you notice it's sponsored. I'm very good at matching a tone of voice to a brand. And making you stand out from your competitor. It's really important to be yourself, to be different, to be unique. A freelance designer who was a client of mine was looking to pitch his skills out to agencies in his local area. He knew there was a lot of competition, and so he asked for my help to write an email. I made sure it reflected his personality. He loves Kanye West, so I put in a lot of Kanye West jokes. I just made it really personal and human. I didn't just list his skill set, I really made it memorable. And he got the perfect response. They said, your email stood out in such a way, I shared it around the whole office and you're top of our list when a job comes available. And he was so happy with that. That makes me love my job, when actually people do see the difference that good copy can make. It's actually not easy to describe a typical day in the life of Spadge because they can change so much, but that's something that I love about my job. The flexibility, the different clients that I get to work with, A lot of my clients are in different time zones, in different areas of the world, and that means that my week to week can vary hugely. Quite often when I work with US clients, it means that my typical 9 to 5 is actually pushed back. It means that I often make amends first thing in the morning, but I can have meetings lasting at night, giving me the day in between to have my free time. Sometimes it is difficult to juggle that, and a frustration that comes with that is that a lot of the people that follow me on social media think that I don't work hard because all they see is the fun that I have in the 9 to 5 while they're stuck in an office. One of the most useful things I've done while being freelance is connect with other freelancers. Not only can we collaborate on projects together, especially when they're designers or illustrators, we help keep each other grounded. Sometimes talking to dogs all day is not the best thing for your sanity. These people can reply, we can bounce ideas off each other. They're usually at the end of the phone when I need them, and when I say phone, I mean computer screen. Hi Dan! One of the best examples I have in how writing can be undervalued is when I spend a whole day creating the perfect tagline for someone and they get annoyed that I've charged a full day. They're saying, hang on, how come these 3 words have cost me a whole day of your time? And what they don't see is all the deep research I go into, not only into their company, but into their competitors, making sure that their tagline is unique to them, that it sells them, it does their company justice. Those 3 words have to say a whole world about a company, and so that's why it costs that much money. I think there's a really easy way to measure whether or not you love your job, and that is to imagine yourself winning the lottery and wondering if you'd still work in the same way. I'm very lucky to work from home. I'm very lucky to work with clients that I love. I think I'd maybe ditch a few of the really pushy ones. I love you guys, really. But if I won the lottery, I would still need to write. It's something that I'm almost addicted to. I love the response that I get from clients when they love what I've written for them, or more importantly, when their clients love what I've written for them. My name is Spadge Nunn, and I help you tell your story.